Meaning of hullabaloo.
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 Hullabaloo. Hullabaloo refers to a commotion or uproar, typically caused by a group of people. It can also be used to describe a loud and disorderly situation. It is often associated with a sense of chaos or confusion, and it may involve a lot of noise and activity. People may create hullabaloo for various reasons, such as to express excitement, protest against something, or seek attention. Overall, hullabaloo suggests a situation that is lively, noisy, and perhaps even chaotic, with a lot of movement and activity.